Hey, what's up, YouTube? My name is Benny, and this is Benny's Kitchen. So today we're gonna be making two healthy snacks. Don't miss it.
Before we begin, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that little bell for notifications.
All right, so we're gonna start off. We're gonna be making some Yucca chips, right? So all I've done is slice them, a little bit of water, a little bit of salt. The salt is to prevent the Yucca to get a little dark, right? And we're not gonna deep fry these today. We are going to preset our oven to 400 degrees. You can grab a cookie sheet or you could grab a skillet like this one. All we're gonna do is spread them out on the skillet and pop them in the oven for 10, maybe 15 minutes. So what are these Yucca chips for? Two things. We're gonna make some Pico de Gallo and we're gonna make some black bean salsa. Now, these ingredients right here, we're gonna use for both recipes. So we got some red onions, about a cup full. We got some jalapenos, got the red ones, got the green ones. I diced them up, took the seeds out. I like it spicy, keep some of the seeds. We got about a half a cup of chopped cilantro. And we have a half a cup of freshly squeezed lime juice. All right, so first off, we're going to start with the Pico de Gallo. We have about 2 cups iced Pico de Gallo. We're going to add a half a cup of our red onions, about a quarter cup of our cilantro, about a half a cup of our diced jalapenos, red and green. If you don't like it that spicy, or if you don't like spice at all, you can substitute this for green bell peppers and red bell peppers. Now we're going to add half a cup of our lime juice and a little bit of salt and pepper. And we're going to add about a quarter cup of olive oil. We're going to mix this up. Use what God gave you. Use your hands, just mix it up. Real nice. Make sure everything is incorporated. Make sure everything is nice and mixed. And that's ready to go. So next up, the black bean salsa. Same exact thing, except no tomatoes. It's gonna be black beans. Now, I cooked these for about 30 minutes. A little bit of water, a little bit of salt, a little bit of cumin, a little bit of bay leaves. Just let that boil until they are soft. You don't want them too soft because if not, it's going to be a mush. So drop those into a bowl. Your onions, your cilantro, your jalapenos, lime juice, and your olive oil. A little salt and pepper. Mix it up. But I gotta wash my hands because I lick my fingers. So give me a second. Okay, hands are clean. Mix them up. This already smells amazing. Another bowl. There we have it. So now all we have to check is our Yucca chips. So there we have it, guys. Pico de Gallo and a black bean salsa with some Yucca chips. Let's try it out. It smells yummy. I know it's gonna be yummy. Oh yeah. Oh. A little heat to it. I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. Mmm. You guys gotta try this. It's a very healthy snack. It's always good just to have it hanging around in the fridge. Because you eat 3 healthy meals, you want to have at least 3 healthy snacks in between, right? So these are good options. These are very good options. And it's very easy to make. Hope you guys liked it. Keep cooking, keep eating, and keep it healthy. Till next time.